Here we go. Virgin ride on Poppin Tops. Ooh, nice double. Whoa, big jump. Oh. Woo, good catch. Good catch. Good save. Oh, this is fast. Totally blind, have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa, loose rocks everywhere. Wow, this is fast. Especially blind. Whoa. Oh, sharp turn. Wow. Woo. Oh, wow. Oh, what's this? Oh, big drop. Oh, that was the end. This is Poppin Tops Lower down below. Wow, what a trail. Whew. Horns up, yep. Definitely sick trail. Almost ate it. That would have been a really bad place to eat it. So many rocks embedded in the ground there. My foot hurts so bad from planting on it, but what a save that was. Holy crap. I thought I was dead for sure. Whew. What a great trail, man. That is a trail you could do on repeat for sure. Wow, so fast. Whew. Flowy too. Great jumps, great doubles. Man, just can't say enough good things about that. That was crazy good.